last time you walked into someone's home and it just felt good? You probably noticed the door. Maybe you complimented the furniture. But I want you to think about something. What did it smell like? Because here is what most people do not know. Scent is the only sense that bypasses the rational part of your brain entirely. Everything else, what you see, what you hear, goes through a filter first. Scent does not. It goes straight to the part of your brain that processes memory and emotion, which means before you have consciously decided that a space feels good, your brain has already taken that call based on the scent. So if this is true and the science is very clear that it is, then how your home smells is not a small thing. It is actually one of the most important things, and yet almost nobody thinks about it. I did not think about it either. Not until 2021, I was working a corporate job in Mumbai, doing well by most measures and completely absent from my own life. I started making candles not because I saw a business opportunity, honestly because it was the one part of my day where I had to pay attention. You cannot make a candle while you're distracted. The wax, the temperature, the fragrance, it demands that you are there. And I noticed the rooms that I burned them in felt different. Not prettier, not cleaner, just better to be in. And I realized what I was making was not actually a candle. It was a reason to be present. So that became the idea behind Sosa. Home fragrance, but with a specific purpose. Not to make your home smell nice, but to make your home smell intentional. There is a difference. A home that smells nice is an accident. A home that smells intentional is a choice. And I think your home deserves to be a choice that you made. We make scented candles, reed diffusers, car fresheners, room sprays, car sprays. Every single product is designed to do one thing. Make the space you are in feel like you decided to be there. We work out of our studio here in Pune. Every batch is tested before it goes out. Not because we have a certificate to maintain, because the standard we hold ourselves to does not have a shortcut. If something does not feel right, it does not leave. Now I want to say something that might sound bigger than a candle brand, but I think this is true. We spend so much of our lives in spaces we are just passing through. The office, the commute, the living room at the end of the day. And most of us have never stopped to ask, does this space feel like me? Did I make any decision about how it feels? Or am I just existing in it? Fragrance is one of the simplest ways to make a space feel yours. Not expensive, not complicated. You light something, you place something, and suddenly the room you are in feels like a space someone thought about. That someone can be you. That is really all Sosa is saying. I'm going to use this channel to teach you everything I know about home fragrance. Which scents do what, how to use each product properly, how to make your home feel the way you actually want it to feel. Because I genuinely believe when you understand what fragrance can do, you wonder why you waited so long. Everything Sosa makes is linked below. But more than that, I hope this video makes you think about what your home smells like right now and whether that was a choice.